Hey guys, my name is Michael and I'm working with my team at Restoration Nation. We bring abandoned machines and ships back to life. Let me introduce you to my team. This ship has been standing here for the past 50 years.
Today, we are about to begin its full cleaning and detailing process.
We will restore it step by step and bring it back to life using our professional services.
We have just started the work, and we will share the entire process with you. Stay connected with us, and we will show you the final results once everything is complete.
All right, let's get to work. We need to clear this old wreck.
Two 2,000 years later. Yeah, boy.
I'm happy to share that we've successfully completed the ship restoration project, clean and ready for operation. This was not an easy task, but with hard work and dedication, our team made it possible. Thank you. Enjoyed this video. Press the like, comment, your reaction.